Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So, namoy pangutana sa derivation sa equations class. So those are the important equations for projectile motion. But also, I have to add this equations class. I have to remind everyone that now for projectile no kabalam ka no sa atong scenario ganina na ibolag tigaan of velocity, initial velocity. So this velocity is actually mura nag-ana no. So that somewhat this is the initial velocity. So pag mingon ko velocity class, kini siya nga form sa velocity has an x component and a y component. Okay? So I have to remind everyone, if mo mention ko velocity class, pag musulti na ko velocity, that means naa siya component nga x. Ako sulti dire kay initial velocity man. Initial velocity, so naa kay component nga initial horizontal velocity o initial vertical velocity. Okay? Pag mingon ko, pag musulti ko velocity, that would mean na kay final velocity and naa po kay na kay final horizontal velocity and then na po kay final vertical velocity. Okay? So this is pagsipa sa bola no tigaan siya initial velocity so na kay this is y, this is x here. Na ano siya some angle always tigaan og angle theta. This is the ground here. Okay, and then the angle between the vector VO class from the ground is theta. Now, therefore, kung ang pangutana karon class kay what is this VOX and VOY? Okay, mo pair man na si mong equations na ni class na kay VOX, na kay VOY. What are those parameters? So those parameters are actually components of the initial velocity sa imong definition. Itigaan man og initial velocity no ang imong object and then move din siya og move din siya in a way that ang iyahang trajectory kay ni follow or governed by the effects of gravity and air resistance. So now, what is VOX and VOY? So lantawon nimo dani so dili na nimo makita class nga okay nagmulto ang ato ang discussion sa vectors. So you have VO there, that's theta. This is this is y axis here. This is x axis here. So basically ato na yung project nato ng vector dani, this will create okay. This side here will be your VOX and this one here will be your VOY. Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Pag mingon gani og horizontal, so that would mean na sub x. Pag mingon og vertical, na sub y. Pero kung moingon ra siya diretso nga the speed is okay nya projectile motion, so the speed or the velocity is, so that would mean na ay components na ay horizontal or vertical. The same thing with initial velocity. Pag mingon siya initial velocity, the initial velocity is equal to, so that would mean that naa siya component pa ana nga horizontal o vertical. Pero kung maana ang problem nga the horizontal velocity is equal to, so that would mean that's the horizontal velocity, so that's Vx. Pag mingon siya the final vertical velocity, so that would mean Vy. Okay? So take note of the vertical o horizontal nga mga words. Now again, what is now VOX and VOY? So now if we recall chapter 1 class, we can actually solve for VOX. Okay, so VO man diri ang imong hypotenuse. So that would mean ang imong VOX is unsa imong relationship diri sa imong triangle class?
Adjacent, sir.
Adjacent. So therefore, apply ka o ka. So that would mean cosine of the angle theta is equal to VOX, the adjacent side, over the hypotenuse, which is actually VO. Hypotenuse ni mo dani is VO. So now if we try to rewrite this somewhat, we just have to multiply both sides by VO. Okay? If you do that, makancel mo ang VO sa right side. But since ito man ang i-distribute no sa left side, so that would mean VO cosine theta is equal to VOX. Okay? Or ato nang i-flip ka, so that would mean VOX is equal to VO cosine theta. Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now, how about the VOY? How about the VOY? VOY. So ang VOY nato, if we go back to our geometry here, VOY is opposite to the angle theta. So unsay buhaton nato, we will use the acronym SOP. Sine function. So opposite man siya, di ba? Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So now let's apply sine. Sine of the angle theta is equal to the opposite side. Okay, the opposite side of the angle theta is the VOY. So you have VOY over the hypotenuse, which is actually the VO. Again, multiplying both sides by VO, that makes the entire expression class becomes VO sine theta equals VOY. So makancel ang VO, makancel ang VO sa right hand side, and then pag multiply nimo sa left hand side, mo appear ang VO sa left hand side, or we can flip this to write that VOY is equal to VO sine theta. Okay, so this is the additional equation class. So the thing is, every time makita ka VOX, you have to think that that's VO cosine theta. Every time makita ka og VOY here, this one, VOY, 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 that is actually VO sine theta. Kuha?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, what are the additional reminders here, class, for projectile motion? So, balik ta diri sa taas. Here, this is our geometry. Look at this. Lantawan nimo, class, here na ani angle no, na ani angle dani nga theta. Okay. Now, as the ball moves upward, class, here, so na kay kung magdraw ka og axis na na. Okay. So ang imong theta here, and then kung magsaka siya, napakay theta here, and then theta. Abot niya sa maximum height. This is now the case wherein maximum height. Y max. Okay. Now, notice, class, nga ang imong angle as the object moves upward, ang imong theta kay decreasing. Take note of that. Okay? As the object moves upward class, ang imong theta, as can be seen in this setup class, in this or diagram, ang imong theta kay magkagamay until such time nga pag-abot niya at the maximum height, ang imong theta dito is actually 0. Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay? So now, ang may tabo class kay as the object starts to descend, ang may tabo kay mo ang angle here also. So, naman kay murag ko ano. This one, kini siya nga angle po na here. Okay? So this by symmetry class kini nga angle dani o kini siya nga angle dani kay parehas. This one, and that. So that what I mean is pag start niya descend, ang imong theta na pud kay mo increasing. Okay? So that kini nga angle dani kay parehas man siya location no by symmetry, that would mean kini siya nga angle and kana ang angle kay parehas. Kini siya nga angle o kana siya nga angle kay parehas. Kini siya nga angle and kana siya nga angle kay parehas. Okay. So that kung nakay geometry pud dani class no. So kung imo siya i-draw padulong dadto pud ana. So mo na imo ang V, final V. So mo na imo ang axis dani, sorry. Ikaw kayo. So notice that by vertical angle, kini sila class, kini nga angle and kini nga angle kay vertical angle man sa ano parehas na sila. You have to take note of that. Di ba vertical angle no na kay geometry nga. Kini siya nga if this is theta, this is also theta here. If this is alpha here, this is alpha. So kini sila murag vertical angle, vertical angle. So kini siya og kana parehas. You just have to take note of that. Provided class nga ang imong projectile kay symmetric. Symmetric meaning kung butangan ako ni siya og mirror dani, ang makita nimo dani class sa left side kay the same replicate sa right side. Okay? So now, kini siya ang analysis later on class, dili nimo na siya magamit whenever ang imong geometry kay dili na symmetric. So what do I mean by that? So na ay cases class nga inani. So na ay situation nga inani class. Example. So na ay height, na tao dani. And then na siya ilabay nga bola class. Ang bola kay move there. Maabot siya maximum height and then naog. Okay? So naani siya initial velocity VO here and then so naay angle nga theta. Okay. Let's change the color. So naay angle nga theta. Naay theta there and then abot dali kay 0 ang theta. Here naay angle. Parehas na sila. Siya angle. But then here paabotin mo kay lahi na. So kung butangan ako ni siya mirror here, makita ninyo nga dili sila symmetric because kini siya nga picture dani is different from here. So dili siya symmetric. So that would mean class that ang kining angle here ang analysis na to sa angle diri kaganina class diri part is that symmetric, so parehas lang. So the same, magamit nimo ni siya nga informations whenever symmetric ang imong projectile. But if dili na symmetric, so you have to take note nga na ay limitations or dili na nimo pwede magamit ang kato nga mga observations. But in this particular here class, kung imo ning lantawon, kini siya nga part here is only true for the case nga naa dani. So kung kini lang ta imong geometry, ana lang, mura kini lang nga projectile class, masabtan ba ninyo? So kini lang here, hang ang color ang gamiton. Sorry. Kung kini lang motion here, ana, so makasulti ta nga symmetric na, but then kinaaman ni additional nga na may additional nga kini, so that's why dili na siya symmetric. Okay? Now, another remarks class. Okay, another remark is this. Oh, sorry. Okay, nantaon ninyo din ni class. Okay. Ang time here, ang time pagpasaka class padulong dani. Pagpasaka padulong sa iyang maximum height. Sa akto na tawag T up would be the same class sa time pagpanaog gikan diri sa maximum height. Okay. Gikan diri sa maximum height padulong din ni sa ground class, kini siya nga time T down kay the same. So again, T up is equal to T down. The same thing class sa free fall kaganina. The time nga ma-spend pagpasaka para maabot ang maximum height o ang time gikan sa maximum height padulong sa ground kay the same. So you have to take note of that. Now, another thing is that when the ball class moves upward and then maabot niya ang maximum height, the final vertical velocity is 0. Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So it's the final vertical velocity is 0 at the maximum height. Now, ang pangutana nako class, na ay pangutana dayon diri class nga, what is the velocity at the maximum height? Okay. Pilay velocity dani at the maximum height? What is the answer?
Kwan, sir. Kanang
Zero.
negative 9.8.
Ha?
Negative 9.8 meter per second squared, sir.
Now, I'm asking about the velocity. Okay?
Zero
So
at
what-
zero.
Uh,
Zero,
9.8 is actually the speed or 9.8 is the acceleration. It's not the speed or the velocity. So I'm asking about the velocity.
Zero at sir.
0, sir, 0.
Okay? So again, so tanawa, nakuha na ninyo, no? So common gyapon ni siya class nga misconception because I've tell you kaganina. Unsa akong ipangita? Velocity, no?
Oo, sir.
Okay? Pag may kog velocity na ay velocity na duha ka component, right? I-mention ako kaganina class. Okay. So that's why ako tong gi-emphasize kaganina kay para di niyo malimtan kay usually malimtan gid siya. So which is in this case nalimtan gyud. Okay? Now, tara oh. Happened. Kasi mag-move siya. Tara class oh. I-mention ako kaganina class nga pag pangutan-on kag velocity na siya component always. Wala man ko nag-mention og horizontal o vertical. Ang pangutana kay what is the velocity? Diba? Natawag tong pangutana dani class. Pangutana is what is the velocity here? That's why what is the velocity at the maximum height? Okay? So that would mean ang imong velocity, kabalo ta class that ang imong velocity kinaay component nga x o naay component nga y. Nakangata. Nakalasa kay medyo so na siya ay y component. So take note of my question. The question is velocity. So wala ko nag-mention class of what is the final vertical velocity. Wala ko nagsulti pod og final horizontal velocity, but the question is what is the velocity at the maximum height. So since you have to take note that this is two-dimensional motion na ay duha ka motion nga nahitabo along the x o along the y. So what we know class is that at the maximum height the final vertical velocity is 0. So that would mean this is 0 at the maximum height. But the velocity is never 0. Okay, so the answer here class is that at the maximum height the velocity is purely along the x. Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
Yes, sir.
so again, the velocity at the maximum height is purely horizontal, that is Vx. Sir, kay wala balita sa Vx. Of course, we know Vx because Vx is just equal to Vox. Ma-measure na to always ang Vox class ay yes, ma-measure na to always ang Vox. Kitigaan man ta always og angle. Usually, tigaan tag angle og initial velocity. So you can always measure the velocity at the maximum height. So that's equal to Vx. Okay? Okay? So you have to take note about
Okay
that.
po.
Okay. But then kung pangutanon mo, what is the vertical final velocity at the maximum height? What's the answer?
Negative 9.8, sir.
Again, akong pangutan na is final vertical velocity. What is the final vertical velocity at the maximum height?
0, sir.
Same ata sa V of X, sir.
Ha?
Same ata sila sa V of X.
Okay, sige pang gutom.
0, sir.
The answer is 0 here. Nakalagay vertical final velocity. So that's Vy. Okay. Nakuha. So the answer is 0.
Yes, sir.
Okay. At the maximum height, the final vertical velocity is 0.
Sir, kanang maximum height sir mo na siya ang kuan? Zero?
Unsa?
Sa,
Ha?
gusto ko klaro kanang sa maximum height mo na ng 0?
Okay, iyan niya. Ang atong projectile, di ba kay na duha ka motion nga nahitabo na Ix ug na Y nga motion. Okay? So as analyzed earlier class, pagsipa sa bola, ang imuhang horizontal motion class kay constant. Okay? Constant. So meaning dili mag-change ang imuhang x component. Ang imuhang horizontal nga velocity as the ball moves upward, then munaog na pud siya downward, ang imuhang horizontal speed or velocity is constant, dili mag-change. Kuha?
Yes, sir.
Okay, kuha. So that's one component only. That's the horizontal motion. Now, kay balo man ta class nga duha ni siya 2D motion. So naaman po'y motion nimo along the vertical. Okay? Naaman po'y vertical motion nato. So if you try to look at the vertical motion class kay pagpasaka sa imong bola as the ball moves upward, ang iyang velocity dadto kay magkagamay. Pareha sa free fall. Tama? Until such time
Yes, sir.
nga magkagamay man siya as musaka siya, magkagamay ang velocity na ay time or moment class nga mahurot iyang velocity. That's why ma-zero ang imong final vertical velocity. That's the maximum height. Okay? That's the point wherein maabot niya ang maximum height. Now, since ang gravity class kay nag-act sa iya, so dili man na siya mo stayed na sa taas, kay na may gravity, na may force nga magbira sa iya class, that's why mo start siya og move downward kay gibirahon siya sa gravity, and then ang iyang velocity na po din ang niya class kay magkakusog. Okay? Magkakusog starting from the maximum point or maximum height padulong panaog class, ang iyang velocity na po kay magkakusog. Okay? So that is why for vertical velocity, muhinay siya as it goes up, but then pag abot niya sa maximum height, mo zero siya dito, and then after that point class, after maabot niya ang maximum height, mo start na po din siya move downward, and then mag-increase ang iyahang velocity or vertical velocity. But kung lantawon nimo ang horizontal motion nimo kay it's always the same. Okay? It's because ang imong horizontal motion is always constant. Okay? So nakuha ninyo. So here ako lang yung po ano. So here ang tao na to, sana ako'y emphasis. Tangan ako emphasis. Kauban ako sa department class si Mama Emphasis. Sorry. Oh. No, tangan ako ko na. So here, okay, that's the this is the ground na kay object no, na ay initial velocity VO. So na ay angle theta. Okay. That's the angle theta. So as the ball moves upward, Okay. Naani siya velocity class v. Naani siya v. And then na maximum height niya na v. Pag naog niya, this is the maximum height, y max. There. So this is also v na v dira na ay v po dani na ay velocity po dani. So one ay velocity at lain-lain nga oras class, no? But you have to take note that ang imong VO, ang imong V, kay naa na siya component sa X and sa Y. Okay. Kaya lagi, this is two-dimensional motion na kay Y axis na apog kay X axis. So na kay X o Y motion. Now, here, kung i-draw na ko ang imong axis na po dani class, okay, so somewhat, this is your imaginary nga y-axis, x-axis. So that would mean ang imong velocity kinaagyapon siya component px, Pakita akong pagkasulat sa p, vx I hat plus vy j hat. So same with this. So that's why, pag-ingon ako nga, what is the velocity at the maximum height here, ibalo man ka nga na ay duha ka component na kay horizontal, na kay vertical. Duha ka motion ang imuhang imagination always for projectile. It's always horizontal and vertical. Now, imo lang isulod sa imo lang timan-an class na at the maximum height, ang imong velocity kinay duha horizontal o vertical. Ang vertical velocity niya dira sa maximum height is 0. So that is why ang imong mabilin nga velocity is the horizontal component. That's why anak ko gina at the maximum height, ang imong velocity is purely horizontal. Okay. And we know that class ang Vx nimo is constant. This is always equal to Vox. And we know that Vox is always given class. Okay? Ihatag man always ang angle class. Ihatag man ni always. Given ni siya most of the time. And then ang imo pong magnitude sa imong velocity, magnitude anong initial velocity is also given most of the time. So that's why solve ni mo ni. Hatag na always. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So mora nay timan-an nato class for two-dimensional motion. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I think okay, mo-stop taman tod no. Sorry kaya murag ako na lang ko ng class para at least ako lang kung connect sir, unsa man to tong discuss sa one dimensional about tong velocity sir. Anong kan man? So atong derivative sa velocity o acceleration. So you have to take note class that for 2D, diba kay kung lang taon nimo dani kung mao ni imong original nga xy axis. So this is your x axis, this is your y axis. So somewhat at the origin mo ni mo origin dana. So that's the point wherein mo ni mo 0 0. So lang taon nimo class as the ball moves upward. So naani siya, for example, kini siya nga point here kay naani siya coordinate something. So naa siya x, naa siya y. So somewhat kung kini siya at time equal to 1 second, so pwede ni siya nga this is the x1. This is the point wherein this is the horizontal displacement class at t equals 1 second. This is the displacement also along the y-axis at t equals 1 second. So somewhat, ang imong displacement, okay, imong displacement is always given by x I hat. Bati naman ang class. Lisdanan na ako ang kuan siguro ang pins ako ang sign pen here. Okay, so that's the displacement. So the displacement is always given by x and y. So paabot niyo mo din ni class mo ni mong origin no? Kini siya naagya po ni siya ay kung mo na project na nanay x naapo ni siya kung i-project po ni mo dito sa PCAS there naapo na siya corresponding y. So ang ibang displacement, mo man imong displacement no? So somewhat ang displacement na naka usually gi-denote ng r. So somewhat kini siya nga distance kini nga distance sa bola here. Yeah, kung i-emphasize somewhat kung mo na yung bola there ang vector ni mo tawag natin ni position vector no or displacement. So naani siya always x component of y. So that's that. Now, ako na siya i-relate sa ito ang discussion sa velocity. Kung ano na yung velocity tayo no, what is the velocity? How do you calculate the velocity at any particular point? Sa imong buhaton is you just take note the derivative of that position vector. So we know position vector or displacement. Kabalo man ta class na if kuan mo derivative ang position, okay? That would give us velocity. Tama? Walang ang pagsulat mo kay murag x no. That gives us velocity. And that would mean kuan mo ni siya og derivative d dt of r no. So that is d dt. Sorry, ako lang yun dire ta mag-stop class. Ako lang i-emphasize na d dt. Ang r na to is x I hat plus y j hat. Okay? So furthermore, ako lang i-distribute so that would give us dx dt I hat plus dy dt j hat. Now, dx dt is the velocity along the x. Are you with me? And then ang dy, that's the dy dt is just the horizontal velocity. So that's why ang imong velocity for two-dimensional motion class is always given by that. This one. Okay? So for two-dimensional mo ni nahitabo, di ba? Ang imong position is always given by these two vectors here naka. So kung mag-move siya, paano mag-derivative with respect to time, mag-move meaning na ay changes sa imong position. Position nimo na duha ka buok x and y, the horizontal position and the vertical position. Once mag-change ang imong horizontal o vertical positions in time, you can always measure velocity. So that's why ma-measure nimo ang velocity by taking the derivative of the position. So that's the velocity, and when we do that, that gives us exactly this equation here na kay Vxi hat and Vyj hat. Now, sa mo pag-measure sa Vx and Vy, so you just have to remember kini dayon nga mga equations din sa taas class. Katong sa projectile. Kini sila. Kini. Okay? Kini sila diri. But you have to take note that daw tagad akong pins. Finalize na anang yun. Sorry. Kaya note that ang VOX is VO cosine theta. And that VOY is VO sine. Sorry. Theta. Okay? So ano mo pag-measure sa VX o VY? So naay VX, naay VY dana. So kini nga mga equations ang imong gamiton. Okay? And to close this, so dili man ta mag-stop sa velocity. Di man ta mag-stop sa velocity class, naman tay other term gitawag ta acceleration. Kung kuhaan nato og second order differentiation ang position with respect to time, so that would mean na kay d ay makadugay sa d dt okay. So we know already that dt, we know that dr dt class is just equal to the velocity. Okay. Which gives us ang dv dt is just the acceleration. Now, in this case, if lantawan nato class ang acceleration is dv dt. Pagkasulat na ako. So dv dt. So you have d dt. Now, ang imong velocity is we know that this is Vx I hat plus Vy j hat. Tama? Tama?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now pag-distribute na to class d Vx all dt I hat plus d Vy dt j hat. Now, we know that ang imong Vx class kay constant. Hindi mo cooperate ang akong kuha na class. Constant. So that would mean derivative of a constant is 0. Tama?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And so ang derivative, okay, how about the derivative sa vertical velocity along the y? We know already that this is just equal to minus g. Okay. Therefore, for projectile is that you have to take note that the acceleration for projectile motion class is always equal to minus g. Kuha?
Yes, sir.
Okay? So that would mean class, kung pangutanong ta mo, pilay acceleration dani sa bola here. Paabot niya din sa maximum height.
Negative 9.8 meter per second squared, sir.
Yes, very good. That's correct. Okay? The acceleration here is equal to the acceleration due to gravity. How about at this point here? Dere dapit. Ini. Okay? So the same thing, class. We just learned it just recently. That for the entire time, class, for the entire time, the acceleration for projectile is always equal to the acceleration due to gravity. So that would mean here, for this setup, the acceleration here for projectile is just equal to minus g. This is, at this point, this is minus g. Here, the acceleration here is also minus g. Here, the acceleration here is minus g. Nga naman, because kay balo man ta nga ang acceleration along the x-axis, or ang tawag nato na kay horizontal acceleration, kay zero. Ang ato ang horizontal acceleration is zero because ang ato ang horizontal speed or velocity kay constant. So that's why zero ang imuhang horizontal acceleration. So but then ang imuhang acceleration sa projectile motion class K naman kay duha ka components na kay x and y, and then we just learned that ang imuhang horizontal component is always zero. So that would mean ang imuhang acceleration is purely along the y, or the vertical acceleration, which is actually the acceleration due to gravity. So that's why we could say that at this point the acceleration is equal to minus g. Acceleration due to gravity is equal to minus no. So that here the acceleration is equal to minus g. That one. Here also the acceleration is minus g. That one, and so on. Here the acceleration is equal to minus g. Okay? So those are the important points, class, that you need to remember. Okay? So I think nilapas na ko sa inyong class, nilapas na ko sa inyong time allocations, but then what I'm asking you now is to revisit the videos for one-dimensional motion, particularly the example, one-dimensional motion along the y motion, and then the two-dimensional motion, and look at the examples, and then study also, practice the examples presented there, and then look at the rewatch also the videos for the Newton's laws. And next meeting I will discuss Newton's laws. Dili na si Rokay ko mag-spend time for projectile class. I'll just give one example for projectile next meeting, and then we will proceed to Newton's laws, and then maybe if we have time discuss work and energy. Okay? I'll also upload the work and energy concept this evening. Okay, so I might post the link later sa ato ang Google Classroom. I think that would be all. Thank you so much for joining me this morning. So I'll see you next meeting.